Hi everyone, it's Player 2 Davey again. Welcome back to my channel. It's so good to be here again, and I cannot wait to show you what I have today. So this is the November base box. It comes with full-size products. There's 2 skincare products and 3 beauty products in here. In this box is the Violet Voss Violet Sunset Eyeshadow and Pressed Pigment Palette, which retails for about $37. We have the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser, which retails for about $40. We have the Glow Oasis Milk Dew pH Balancing Moisture Milk Toner, and that retails for $34. We have the Blink Ultra Volume Tubing Mascara, which retails for $26, and the Hey Honey Trick and Treat Berry Lip Balm with Natural Tint, which retails for $23. So I will be trying all of these products, and just to be fair, I was using the Glow Oasis Toner and the Kate Somerville Cleanser for about a week to give it a really good idea if it worked for me. So let's go ahead and get into it, and I will try to base a look off of these products and show you what they're all about. So the first product I want to talk about is the Glow Oasis pH Balancing Milk Moisture Toner. This has been one of the best toners I've ever used because it's a very easy process once you cleanse your face. You just put a little bit in your palms and you put it on your face and you just pat it down. This is completely vegan with probiotics and prickly pear extract. It really builds up the resilience in my skin and has left it very dewy afterwards, and I find that I'm actually not using any of my other moisturizers once this is used because it does such a great job. The next product I want to talk about is the Kate Somerville Moisturizing Goat Milk Cleanser. This product has left my skin feeling very moisturized after I cleanse it in the shower. I use a cleansing brush with this. I don't just use my hands so that I can get deep down into my pores and my skin. And I really like this product because after I use it, my skin isn't stripped of the oils that it needs, while the Manuka honey that's in this will gently strip away any other oil or makeup like a regular cleansing product, but again, without stripping away all of those essential oils. This is the Hey Honey Trick and Treat Lip Balm with a natural berry tint. I'm really looking forward to using this because I haven't really tried any sort of lip tints in the past, and I'm interested to kind of see how this one will work for me. Then we have the Blink Ultra Volume Tubing Mascara. I haven't tried this. I'm usually a Lancome boy, so I'm not really sure how this one's going to work. I've never heard of this product before or this brand, so I'm interested to try this product and see how it holds up against my Lancome mascara. And then something that I'm really excited to try is the Violet Voss Violet Sunset Palette. It includes 8 shades and they are all pink and neutral toned. Again, really excited to try this, and I'm going to create a look for you with all of these products now. Alright, so here is just a very basic makeup that you can do with the products just in the box alone. No other products used except for a tinted moisturizer. So I'm going to go ahead and finish off with my usual routine so that you can get an idea of how you can amplify this look. So this is it. This is my look using the base box from Boxycharm. This is the November 2021 box. You get about $150.
$150
for only $25 a month. I mean, come on. How can you beat that? I'm so thankful that Boxycharm chose me to be an ambassador for their subscription service. And I will leave a link to the Boxycharm website in the description below. So please make sure to check that out. And as always, I'm Player 2 Davey, and this has been your Boxycharm unboxing. Bye everybody.